Oh, yeah, AI is amazing. It can write stuff, it can correct your sentences, and it can get you caught up in plagiarism cases, and it can keep you in a cycle of environmental ruin. But you know what it can't do? It can't get your story from your heart and mind onto the page. That's your work. That's your voice. That's your purpose. And only you can tell your story. Let's work on that. I'm Dr. Helene, and I've been an English professor for over 2 decades. So I'm an academic, but I'm also an artist and an entrepreneur. And I've been on a journey transforming my skills and talents into a public-facing, profit-making journey. So I'm a writing coach specifically for folks who want to amplify their impact beyond the usual boundaries with integrity. And I'm here to help you get there, no matter where you're starting or how much you've struggled with your writing. My goal is to help get your message to where it matters most, so it can do what it do, so you can do more of what makes you, you. Click the link to find out more about Vision Builders, the workshop. Registration is very limited. This isn't some huge, more the merrier class where you're just a face on a screen. It's a small cohort designed to create real community, real confidence, real insight for the journey. So get the skills, the confidence, and the feedback you need to take that project further. Register for the workshop today, and I'll see you inside.